Okay, so this video is going to teach you how to make money from home with absolutely no website at all. It's super simple. The only thing you really have to do to get started is decide on what you want to sell. Now, Market Health offers a ton of different really good programs, and the one that I'll show you is free trials because people don't have to buy anything, they just have to sign up for it, and you get about $35. Now this first one I'll show you pays out $35 for each sign up. It's just something that helps you get a brighter smile. All you have to do is go to markethealth.com. This is just one of many affiliate programs, and I'll show you how to find different ones later. But once you signed up with them and your account's approved, you just go in. The page you start out at is this one here, and we'll just go into free trial offers. Click on Idle-White, linking codes, and this is it. This is your tracking ID, so that Market Health can track anytime there's a click and or a sale. This number is what tells them who gets it, which is you. So now that I've copied this link, all I do now is go to Google and I type in colon or in quotes MAIL space and then a bracket, will not be published, bracket and quotes. So it has to be exactly that. If I do a search for that, that's going to find blog pages that will allow me to post this link, and there's 110 million of them. So then I do a space plus celebrity, because this is that celebrity smile, so we're going to track down a specific niche of them, and there's 5.5 million, so lots of stuff to choose from. So I'll just hit this one here, and when we go down it says Bill Hader to be a dad, and when you scroll down other people have posted, and this one has a link to womansindex.com, so we want our link here with the affiliate code in it. And to do that, see, this is why we did that search, mail will not be published. You can see that right here. So the name, we're going to put celebrity smile. Whatever your email happens to be, I'll just throw that one in there. Now you copy in your affiliate link right here where it says website. That's the one that we got from Market Health back here. Copied it out of there. So we want to make our $35 for each sign up. And on this one here, in this page now, I think he would be an awesome dad. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. Submit comment. And we scroll back down. Wait for it to load up again. And as soon as this gets approved, our link is going to show up right there. Just double check, some of them show up right away, some of them don't. You may have to wait till it gets approved. So we'll go back, we'll find another one. Scroll down, this one's a bit, that one's weird, I won't bother with that one. Paula Abdul, hairstylist, will be missed. Yeah, whatever. Don't care. We want this. This is what we care about. This form here. Leave a comment. So name, celebrity, smile, info.com, throw in our link. Her hair will be missed. But what about her smile? Whatever. Submit comment. Takes a while to load. Come on. So that one's got to be approved too. So no problem. This is all you have to do is just keep moving along. Doesn't take long at all, and you'll find one. And there we go. So that's been posted. See where it says Celebrity Smile, and then down at the bottom here you can see the affiliate link is right here. So if we click that, you'll see it refresh up here. Goes to idlewhite.com. Celebrity Smile. All they have to do now is fill out this order right here. There's no credit card, there's nothing. They hit continue, you get $35. It's that simple. Just do another one just to show you. The other thing we can do too is track down other people who are doing this, like Derek P. See if we got 53 of them. Good. Derek P is someone who's done a lot of posting too, and you'll notice this. You'll see the same people doing some posting, and you can track them down. These ones are more guaranteed to get your link posted right away. So let's give it a try. So move down. This page is taking too long to load. Let's try this one. And you can see there it is. That's the guy we're wanting to track. So name again, Celebrity Smile. Info at info.com. Put in our affiliate link. Who's dead this week? It's kind of a weird article. Celebrity deaths. Gail Storm died today. The OxyClean commercials. So you can put posts like this, and then you can even throw the link in there. Hit submit. You have to fill out the CAPTCHA. It only takes a couple seconds. Comment's been approved, so let's go check it out. There it is, Celebrity Smile. Again, somebody clicks this or this, they're back at this page. All they have to do is fill out this form and you make $35. It's really that simple. In less than 10 minutes I've built 2 links. So think about if you've got, once you get faster at this, if you've got an hour to spend each day and you can do easily 3 or 4 in 10 minutes, you're going to be building 20, 30, 40 links a day. It won't take long at all, and you'll start making great commissions. If you have any problems at all, give us an email, info@workingforgoogle.com, and good luck.